always sweat. Sorry, I'm late.
It's okay, baby. Hey, why you so wet, ah?
Because it's so sunny, lor. You know I'm always sweat.
Aya, hey, you got the gift I give you? Have you seen already?
Of course not yet. You asked me to come all the way here, so I protect it very, very nicely. My sweat never drip on it. So then, why is it so secretive, eh? Why must come here then open, eh?
You open then you know. You like
What are you going to give me the umbrella for? Just like at home, you don't give me the umbrella. You want me to reach here, then you want to give me the umbrella?
What? If I give,
Seriously?
I must give practical stuff. What?
Why?
I give you all those what
the
branded
hell
bag
is
for
this?
what? Hey,
Can I
but
keep
umbrella
my
brand.
umbrella?
Don't fight. You wait. Then what you want?
What you want?
Just now we discussed halfway, then you come out and fight with your girlfriend. You want to go back and we discuss about the renovation of your house?
Discuss what? Discuss yourself lah. We break up already.
Hey, don't break up, don't divorce. You all hear me? You all hear me out. Because I'm the interior design firm that's recommended by Renopedia, right?
And then?
You all already stand a chance to win up to 50,000 eh. Yeah, and not only that, you all can create your dream home eh.
Hey, baby, $50,000 leh. Not bad, sia.
Not bad, oh.
Actually,
The umbrella actually not bad, sia.
Quite nice, leh.
Yeah. Hey, we go listen to the renovation plan.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Sign up with Renopedia and you have a chance to win up to $50,000. Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.